If you work in HVAC, then you deal with a lot of fans. No, not your adoring fans. Actual fans, the kind that keeps warm air flowing and the customers happy. Keep it under control with White-Rodgers Universal Furnace Fan Timer Control from Emerson. This universal control has more cross-references than any competitor. Not to mention easier installation, configuration, and diagnostics for on-the-truck readiness that you can trust. That's a 50-minute delay of job to drive to the distributor for absolutely no reason. Be sure to have the right control and be the game-time hero your customers deserve. The 6-hole mounting design works for 2 or 4 screw configurations. Terminals are labeled to match multiple existing boards. Like any good teammate, only White-Rodgers gives you both 3/16 and 1/4-inch spade terminals to connect existing transformer wiring. And to bring home the win, White-Rodgers has the only control with a tricolor LED that displays system status and fault codes. An exclusive fault recall button saves the last 5 fault codes for proper system diagnosis. Be on top of your game and get the job done with White-Rodgers. And remember, when you're out there working, we're your #1 fan.